start device. Part number whiskey 11092533. Okay. Here it is. Brand new cap. 12 microfarads, 210 VAC. Okay. Okay, so the start really wasn't starting up here, and I ordered a new one. Let's check the resistance on it. 55.4 ohms on the start and run side. Let's see what this new one reads. .4 ohms. So you can see this has a low resistance. This one had a high resistance. This one's shorted. And right here, 55 ohms. That's real high. So the compressor wasn't starting. The previous tech had ordered a compressor thinking it was that, but there was a leak right in here. So I got here, I replaced it, vacuumed it, sealed it, charged it, but the compressor wouldn't kick on, so they forgot to order the relay with the compressor. So a week later, here I am with the new relay and the new capacitor. This is the one that I had left on there. This is a new one. We're going to use this one. Alright, let's just plug and play. Your start and run are at the bottom and your common is at the top. There it is. We're at minus 18 and 102. Add a little bit of liquid. We got a UV dryer in already. I'm curious about this right here. The inlet is already frosting. That's good. Keep saying there's a leak right in there where this thing was rubbing the heater harness. The coil's acting like there is. It's excessively frosted now, and it's just in the first loop. Hasn't even gone to the bottom. Maybe the second. Just the second loop. Not even the second. Just the top. Real pinhole. It's definitely rubbing, but there's no leak. At least least I can't pick it up with the bubbles. Let's do it again. No UV, no leaks here in the back. I recovered a couple refrigerant, a couple ounces. It was overcharged. 124 and 1 psi. I'm gonna leave it at. $42, $41, $40, $39. It's going. Oh, there was no leak on the evaporator. It's a minor dent on there from the wire harness heating up. So I moved it to the side, relocated, charged it. It's working.